Alright, next up here, last hand is Hampton Bay Quick Connect. And yeah. So it's not the best, but not actually. Alright, so just a quick connect here. Here it is where my parents are sleeping. Here's low. And yeah. Turn on these lights here. I think that's the yoke side there. So, one thing I forgot to show about this, but it's back in here, so yeah. So it's fuzzy. Alright, so, yeah. Spits this chain there. Has kind of slight well leads. Not the best, but yeah, it's very lovely. Alright, you could get permission to do this, so yeah, it probably needs to be balanced. Yeah, this one has to be balanced. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, see you guys later, and bye.